In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Google Keep to plan, take notes, set reminders, and collaborate. You'll learn how to find Google Keep and then how to use Google Keep to create a note, set reminders, share notes with others, etc. Google Keep is an online tool that allows the user to create notes that you can set reminders, add pictures, files. Therefore, it's a good tool for organizing and collaborating online. So you open up Google Keep by going to keep.google.com. You can also go up to your G Suite applications, press on More, and then Google Keep should be with more of the applications. So here's just an example of some of the notes that I made. An example note with the name of the note, the description of the note, I set a reminder, and I added a picture and a drawing. On this one, I added a note with an image by going up here, pressing on New Note with Image, selecting an image, and then pressing Open. And then you add the title, and then a description. From here, you can change the color of the notes. For instance, let's say I do brown. And then you can add an image, add collaborators by going here and then typing in the email of a person. Add a reminder for tomorrow, next week, pick a time and date, or pick a place, and it will remind you of that. And you can also add a label. So I'm going to show you what it means to add a label. If you press Add Label, Create Image Label. Then over here is going to create the image label. And now it has that label as image. Now we can add other notes to the image label. For instance, let's press Add Label, then we select the image, and now if we go to this label, those two notes are going to be here. So now let's go back to the main notes page, and I'll show you how to draw a note like I did here. So go up here, press Draw, and then you can erase, draw, change the size and the color, highlight over here, add rules, squares, dots, and press back, and then close. And now that drawing is available on your screen. If you want to shrink down, or if you want to edit this again, then just click on it, press on it again, so close. And then I will also show you how to make a list. So if we go here, then it creates a list. You add list title, and then you can list the items. Press close. When you have started completing items on this list, check them off and they will be crossed off and go to the bottom. To organize your notes, you can drag and drop them, put them in list view, go back to grid view, or pin them. So if you want to pin a note, all you do is go to the top right corner of the note and pin. So any pin notes is going to show up under the pin tab. Then all the other notes are going to be down here, and they're organized by when you created them or how you move them around. So if you want to create a new label, you can always go here, create a label, and then add which ones that you want to the label. So you can add it to another label, add other ones to labels, change labels, example label. You can archive by pressing archive and then go to the archive and they will be in there. Mess with labels, and as you can see, those notes show up in the labels as also they stay in pinned or others. And then archive is where you put any old notes you don't want on your main page. So let's say I don't want this note anymore, we do archive, and now only these ones are showing up on my notes page when I open up Google Keep. And then of course you can throw things away by going here and then delete note, and they will show up in the trash for 7 days, and then after that the trash will be emptied, or you can press empty trash and empty it yourself. So overall, that's how we use Google Keep. Also, you can go to reminders, and then anything that you put a reminder on will be in there, and it will send you an email of a reminder of this note. So it's a really good tool for organizing, planning, and just remembering things.